Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, you've probably read the title and be like, what on earth are you doing to this poor Yaris? But it's something I saw online and I thought, you know what, that is actually pretty cool. So what we're going to be doing today is installing a ghetto launch control. We're basically splicing the 12-volt wire that goes into the MAF or the mass airflow sensor. And what that does is put this car into safe mode or limp mode, which restricts the revs to 3,000 RPMs, creating a fake soft limiter. And yeah, I thought that'd be a pretty cool manual launch control. Whether this wrecks the car or not, I have no clue, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Now, I don't know if this works for every car, but I definitely know it works on this Toyota Yaris, so I guess we'll see. So I've got my wire, I've got my switch. Let's go to the bonnet and see what we have to do. So we're just going to be splicing that second wire down, the black and yellow one. Right, so now we have the switch installed. We can go ahead and test, see if the launch control actually works. So now that it is off, we can just... And as you can see, it revs all the way up. But then we can go ahead and flick it off, and now launch control is activated. But realistically, it's just gone into limp mode, which restricts it at 3,000 RPMs. So it acts as a launch control, but we'll go ahead and rev it. As you can see, it just stops at about 3,500 RPMs. And literally that is my foot flat to the floor, and it's just stopping at 3,500 RPMs. So I'm going to quickly go find a place to go do a quick cheeky launch with it on, just to show you how it does work. And like I said, this might not apply to every single car that there is, but it definitely does work for a Toyota Yaris, so I can say that it does work for this car. Unfortunately, the batteries in the remote for the valve has actually run out, so I can't open the valve up. But I did get a video up before when the valve was open, so you can see what it sounds like. But yeah, let's just go to a private location and do a launch. So we're just going to go ahead and flick it on and then launch it. And that is how you wire in launch control. If you did enjoy the video, I would really appreciate if you could drop me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.